everyone, welcome to Simply Grace Lifestyle. So in this video today, I'm going to be making a couple of pork chops, center cut pork chops, and I have some seasoning over here, which is what I call my house seasoning, which is salt, pepper. We have some garlic here and Italian seasoning or oregano or both. Okay, and now I've incorporated the Knorr because I find myself the Knorr chicken bouillon. They also have the beef and they have a tomato one. So this is my go-to. Now I added this one. So I'm gonna be seasoning, I have 2 here. I think I'm gonna add another 2. So it'll be 4 pork chops that I'll be cooking. And then I think I'm gonna find some macaroni and cheese, and that's what we're making today. Come on with me. All right, so I grabbed some macaroni and cheese and we're gonna go ahead and doctor that up, so that's gonna taste good here. So before I start with the seasoning, let me tell you, this video is a part of a collaboration called Quick and Easy Meals. So Quick and Easy Meals is every Sunday at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. The host of that collaboration is Simply Grace Lifestyle. We have Jean Home Decor and More, Debbie Bubbles. Occasionally we'll have my Mountain Home and Kitchen. And I hope I'm not forgetting anyone. If I'm forgetting someone, I'm gonna link them down below in the description box. So we're gonna start out, let me get the other 2 pork chops and I'll be right back. Okay, let me move this over. That's just some leftover beans. Who knows, we may incorporate this because I also have some rice over there. I just wanna make enough food. At least for today, maybe tomorrow. So let's see. So we're gonna start out with some salt. I did put some of the chicken bouillon left from the other container, just a little sprinkle. So we have some salt. Then we have some pepper. Okay, we just want enough to coat them. Then we have some garlic. Some Italian seasoning. All right, and then we have the Knorr. So this doesn't have like a sprinkle cap, so you gotta be careful. I know pretty much how much I'm using. Now, I am gonna add some olive oil and a little bit of rice vinegar. So we're adding a little bit of olive oil. Okay. I'll say that's about a teaspoon. And we're gonna do about a half a teaspoon of the rice vinegar. Okay. Let me put this stuff away and I'm gonna mix this around. All right, guys, so this smells absolutely amazing. And since I didn't marinate this overnight, I am gonna let it sit for about half an hour. So I may as well get to starting this. All right, guys, so my macaroni and cheese is done. And drop some butter in there, some of the deluxe cheese, and I'll probably add a little bit of cream, and we are good when it comes to this mac and cheese. Now let's move on over to cooking those pork chops. All right, so this has been marinating. The pork chops have been marinating for about half hour. I have my egg wash here, okay? And I decided to go ahead and use breadcrumbs. So let's get to placing that in the pan, guys, and get this going. So I have the burner set on 6. Let me just drop that. I want to make sure it cooks all the way through. All right. Okay, so we're going to drop it in the egg wash. And then I'm going to coat it with the breadcrumbs. turn it over, make sure that's coated. And then we're going to go ahead and place that in the oil. So I'm gonna do that to all four. It's just starting to sizzle now, and we'll be right back. Okay, so I finished frying them. Now they're not fully cooked. They probably just need about 10-15 minutes in the oven. So I set the oven for 350 degrees, and these are gonna go in there for 20 minutes. We should be really good. So I can't wait. Okay guys, so this is what it's looking like. The pork chops came out of the oven after 20 minutes and they're perfect. And then I'm serving that with some mac and cheese. Doesn't that look yummy, guys? So this is what our dish is looking like. And I'm just so hungry, I can't wait to eat it. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoy creating it for you. If you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you guys. Amen.